So we're taking this viral video and kicking it up a notch. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So we're continuing in our series about the humble potato. And in preparation for today's video, I made this short reel on the Puerto Rican relleno de papa, and it went viral on TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, what are you waiting for? It has garnered almost 2 million views. And in the comment section, many people ask, can you do this with batata? Oh yes, we can. So batata, or sweet potato, is really actually called a boniato. It has a white flesh. It is starchier than your regular orange sweet potato or yam, and it's a perfect complement for the Ropa Vieja filling. Come on, let me show you how it's done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our batata, our boniato. It's great to have a really awesome peeler. You can find this in my Amazon store. Okay, so now I have the batata all peeled. We're going to cut it into large chunks. We don't need to cut it too small. Just like that. Then we're going to take a pot filled with water. We're going to place our batata, our sweet potato, into the water. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt. Then we're going to boil this until the potatoes are nice and tender, enough to mash. Okay, so while our batata is boiling, we're going to prepare the Ropa Vieja filling. Now, I cooked the beef ahead of time. This is how it looks like, cooked and shredded. The process of cooking the beef so that it's tender enough to shred is about 2 hours. So I did it beforehand to conserve time, but I show you step by step what to do in this video, which I'll post a link at the end of this video, as well as a pinned comment. Okay, so I'm going to prepare some veggies, onion, red and green peppers for the filling, the Ropa Vieja. And because this is a filling, I'm going to cut it a little bit thinner than what I usually would do for Ropa Vieja, because as we stuff our potato, we don't want the vegetables to kind of poke out of the sides. So we're gonna cut it thinner than what we usually do. I'm going to utilize about a half a pepper. Cut it in half on an angle, thinly sliced. And then also half of a green pepper. Same way, thinly sliced on an angle. So in a saute pan, I'm going to add some oil and then add my vegetables. I'm going to add the shredded meat that I did ahead of time. I'm also adding reserved beef broth from cooking the steak. And I'm going to add a little bit of that to the pan. Again, all this is in the video that I'll be posting. I'm also going to add about a quarter cup of tomato sauce and a little splash of white wine. I'm going to let that cook down until the liquid is almost dry. Okay, as you can see, there's hardly any liquid left. I want to add some fresh oregano and cilantro and get ready to assemble our papa rellena. Okay, so here we have our batata that has been cooked, and all I'm going to do is mash it. To that, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. I do this so that the potatoes don't come out gummy. Just going to stir that around. And then I'm going to let this cool down, and then we'll assemble our papa rellena. Now that the potatoes have cooled, I'm dusting my hands with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Although because these potatoes are sweet, they will be stickier than normal potatoes. Place 2 tablespoons of the potato in your hand and make a well in the center. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of the filling. Enclose the filling and roll into a ball. Here I have a breading station where I'll dip the potato balls into beaten eggs, then into seasoned breadcrumbs. Probably the most important step now is to freeze the potato balls for 1 hour to prevent them from splitting when frying. Fry the potato balls in 350-degree oil for about 4 minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels, then serve warm.